Assalamu alaikum, dear students. We are going to learn about organs and organ system. It is science. Let us start organ and organ system. What are organs and what are organ system?
Hey everyone, and welcome. Today we're going to go on a pretty incredible journey inside ourselves and really inside every living thing. We're going to explore the amazing blueprint that makes life possible. Let's dive right in. I mean, really, have you ever just stopped to think about that? How does everything inside you, your heart, your lungs, your brain, how does it all just know what to do? It's a simple question with a mind-blowing answer. So let's break down the blueprint. All right, so let's start at the very top, the big picture. And that big picture is you. As a complete, living, breathing person, you are what scientists call an organism. Now, think of an organism less like a single thing and more like a massive, perfectly coordinated team. It's a whole collection of different systems all collaborating, all working together for one single goal, to keep you alive and kicking. And this idea isn't just about us humans, not by a long shot. Look at the complex superhighway of your circulatory system, and then look at a simple houseplant. It's got its own systems for pulling water up from the roots and turning sunlight into energy. They're both complete organisms, just playing the same game of life with a different rulebook. So that's the key takeaway, right? Whether it's a lion prowling the savannah, your cat curled up on the sofa, or that mango tree in the garden, they all fit the bill. They are all highly organized, whole living beings. Okay, so let's peel back a layer. If an organism is the entire company, what are the different departments? Well, that's where we get to the organ systems. Sticking with that team idea, an organ system is like a specialized squad. It's a group of different organs that have joined forces to handle one of the big, important functions for the whole organism. Each one has a critical mission. For instance, you've got your respiratory system. Its entire mission is to handle every single breath you take. It brings in the oxygen your body desperately needs and gets rid of the carbon dioxide. Super important. Then there's the excretory system. You can think of this as the body's ultimate cleanup crew. Its job is to filter out all the waste and keep your internal environment perfectly balanced and running smoothly. And of course, the circulatory system. This thing is literally the body's highway network. The heart is the engine, the powerful pump, and it moves blood, oxygen, and nutrients to every single corner of your body, making sure every last cell gets what it needs. It's just incredible. And this is what's so cool about life's diversity. Animals have systems for things like digestion, breathing, and thinking. But plants, they have a totally different set of priorities. They need a root system to anchor themselves and absorb nutrients, a shoot system to soak up sunlight, and a vascular system to act like plumbing. Different organisms, different teams. Makes perfect sense. So, what are these systems even made of? If we zoom in one level deeper, we find the individual workers on all these teams, the organs. Right, so an organ is a structure that's made of different kinds of tissues, all working together to do a very specific job. Your heart, for instance, its one and only job is to pump blood. And it's built from specialized muscle and connective tissues that let it do that one job perfectly. So, in an animal, you've got the organs you know, like the heart, lungs, kidneys, and stomach. And in a plant, the organs are things like its root, its leaf, and its stem. Each one is a distinct part with a vital role to play in the bigger picture. And just to complete the picture, these organs are built from something even more basic, tissues. Tissues are the raw material. They're the actual fabric that comes together to create every single organ in the body. Okay, so we've basically taken a living being apart, from the top all the way down. Now, for the grand finale, let's put it all back together and see how these simple parts create something so magnificently complex. This is it. This is the blueprint. It all starts with the tissues. Those tissues group together to form a specialized organ, like a kidney or a leaf. Then those organs team up to create a whole system, like the excretory system or the root system. And finally, all of those systems work together in perfect harmony to create the whole shebang, the living organism. It's a beautiful, logical ladder where the whole is so much more than the sum of its parts. So that leaves us with one final big thought. Seeing how it's all built, you realize the magic isn't just in the individual parts, but in their incredible teamwork. It's the organization and the cooperation that transforms a simple collection of cells into you. So what do you think that secret ingredient is? The thing that truly holds it all together?